Hi, in this brief video I just want to show you how to use the Elmish debugger. This game is on trouble because I installed the React tools instead of the Redux tools by accident, so I just want to show you how it looks like in the browser. Let's get started. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. I am just starting the project from the previous video here. Let me speed up this segment. Once .NET Run has finished, press Ctrl and click on the URL. If you open the Chrome Dev tools with Ctrl-Shift-I, you'll see a bunch of error messages in the console. These WebSocket related messages will pop up periodically there. In order to fix them, we need to install the Redux tools extension. No, not this one, not the React tools. Instead, just get the Redux tools. This thing tripped me up last time. It seems simple, but I thought I did the right thing, and having a video like this would have really helped me realize my error. Just pin it for easier access later. Note how the icon is grayed out. If you try to use it right now, it won't work. I've just restarted the browser between that transition here. Note how the icon is green. As usual, I hope you found this useful. If you have, please like and subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you how to replace Webpack with Vite, and after that we'll be done with the preliminaries. See you soon!